Solving an algebraic equation means manipulating the equation so that the variable is by itself on one side of the equation and everything else is on the other side of the equation. Once everything else is simplified, the equation is solved. There are a few rules we must observe. Number 1. An algebraic equation must contain a variable. 2. The variable must be multiplied by a coefficient that is not 0. Number 3. There should be an equal sign. Example: we have this algebraic equation x plus 3 equals to 7. We can solve this equation since it fulfills all the 3 rules that I have mentioned before. To solve this equation, we need to think of how to make the variable alone by itself in one side of the equal sign. As you can see here, the variable x is on the left side of the equal sign. Therefore, we need to get rid of everything there except for the x itself. Here we have plus 3. To get rid of it, we need to subtract it by 3. And so, we subtract the expression by 3. Since this is an equation, so everything that you do on the left side of the equal sign, you must do the same thing on the right side of the equal sign. In this case, we subtract every expression by 3. After you subtract them, the expression is simplified like this. Since 3 minus 3 is equals to 0, we don't need to write 0 in this expression. Meanwhile, on the right side of the equation, 7 minus 3 is equals to 4. And so, because the variable now is alone by itself in one side, and we have also simplified the expression on the other side, then we're done. So the solution for this equation is x equals to 4. Another example: 2y plus 5 equals to 11. The same concept applies when solving this equation. To get the solution, we need to do it step by step. First, we need to get rid of the 5. So subtract both sides by 5. Then the equation will be 2y equals to 6. We are not done yet, because the variable is not by itself. So, second step, we have 2y equals to 6. This is the same as 2 times y equals to 6. To get rid of the 2, we need to divide it by 2. And so, divide both expressions by 2. And we will have this. 2y divided by 2 is equals to y, and 6 divided by 2 is equals to 3. Since we have the variable alone in one side of the equation, and we have also simplified the expression on the other side, then we're done. So the solution for this algebraic equation is y equals to 3. Next example. Can you figure out how to solve this equation? As you can see, z is being divided by 4. Therefore, to get rid of the denominator, we need to multiply it by 4, since 1 over 4 times 4 is equals to 1. So, z over 4 times 4 is equals to 1z, or z, and 5 times 4 is equals to 20. Since we have the variable alone in one side of the equation, and we have also simplified the expression on the other side, then we're done. So the solution for this algebraic equation is z is equals to 20.